this is Gina LeClaire at Art of Skincare, and today I want to talk to my acne clients. I've got a clean, fresh face because I just washed my face, and I want to show those of you who are using the Face Reality products how to do the system. Now, many of you have just received your products in the mail and you're excited to get started, so I'm just going to give you a few tips on how to use these products correctly. Now, the products that I'm going to use right now may not be the exact products that your esthetician or your acne specialist has put you on, but I guarantee they'll probably be pretty similar. So if what I'm doing is a little bit different, please just follow the instructions of your certified acne specialist, because we customize these routines to be really perfect for you and what's going on with your skin. So what I did today is I washed my face with the Face Reality Ultra Gentle Cleanser. I did a really nice cleanse and then I rinsed it really well, and I even used a warm cloth to remove any residue of cleanser on my skin. The next thing I do is I grab these toner pads. We sell these on the website. These will save you so much money in the long run. You think that they look a little expensive buying them, but it's a big package of them. And gauze pads are very expensive. You can't find these anywhere else for the price we sell them at. We use these because they don't waste your toner. If you use a cotton ball or a cotton pad, it absorbs all of your toner and more of it goes into the cotton than goes on your face. That won't happen with these toner pads. Also, these toner pads have a little bit of texture to them, so that when you apply your toner and you begin massaging your skin, you get a little bit of extra exfoliation from it. Many of our clients also like to use these for removing their eye makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and just put some of the toner on the pad, and I'm going to show you how to use toner on your skin. When you apply toner, you want to be thorough. Sometimes you just want to go like this and be done. Well, I tell you, I do some massaging. It's almost like I'm cleansing the skin again. I'm going to go in, work all those little areas where the pores are a little more tricky, where they like to get a little bit clogged up. And I just really massage this into my skin. Now, if you have very delicate skin, you've got some really inflamed acne, maybe some bloody pustules, of course, please do not scrub this into that area. Be more gentle in those areas. But if you have some congestion, your skin's a little stronger, go ahead and do a nice massage with your toner, working these products into the skin. Now, the next step in your daily routine, now I'm doing a morning routine, so my next step is going to be to grab my Mandelic Serum. If you're not on Mandelic Serum, you might be on the Glycolic Serum or you might be on Salicylic Serum. I like to use the Mandelic, but I have certain clients that I'll use Salicylic with and others that I use Glycolic with. But most of the time we grab Mandelic because it's antibacterial, antifungal, and it's pretty darn gentle, and yet it does an amazing job. So you're going to want to use 2 pumps of your Mandelic Serum. Go ahead and massage it on all over. It'll feel a little tingly sometimes, especially when you're brand new at it. If it feels tingly, that's fine, but if the tingle lasts for more than 2 minutes, then go ahead and rinse it off and jot us a quick note. Either reach out to your acne specialist or contact us on the live chat, and we'll help you to do some things that will help your skin to adjust better to the products. So I've got on my 2 squirts. I worked them in well to those problem areas. I'm going to get them on my little dark pigmentation spots because Mandelic is a brightener. It'll help brighten those areas. Now my next step, one more tip though, is let that mandelic acid dry. In order to get the full benefit of it, you want your skin to be completely dry so that acid has really done its trick. Some people wait a few minutes to actually brush their teeth, something like that, to distract themselves while they're waiting to do the next step. Now the next step is Hydra Balance. This is a balancing gel. So this is going to put water moisture into your skin. Even if you have oily skin, you usually need water hydration. So here I've got some of the Hydra Balance. Smells really nice and light and refreshing. I took more than I need. All these products are pretty concentrated, The thing with the Mandelic serum or your acid serum, you definitely want 2 pumps, but with Hydra Balance, you might be able to get away with 1 pump. But this really makes the skin plump and juicy with some good water moisture, and the skin's gonna feel a little sticky right now. So those of you who are not liking to feel things on your skin, don't worry about it. That stickiness is gonna fade away, and also by the time you put on your moisturizer, your sunscreen, you're not gonna feel that at all anymore. So the next step that I'm gonna do is grab my Clear Derma. Now, those clients who are really oily, you may not be assigned the Clear Derma because you may not need it. But those of you who are more normal to dry, you will definitely have Clear Derma on there. This is very soothing, helps prevent scarring. I'm putting on that moisturizer, get some up around my eye area. Get it on all over. There we go. And then my last step for daily is you've got to use your sun protection. All of these great products in Face Reality will really help clear up your skin, but they're also going to make you a little bit more sun sensitive because we're increasing your exfoliation. So if you go out in the sun and get sunburned, your skin is going to get pissed off and you're going to get more breakouts, and it's going to be harder to work with your skin. So keep your sunscreen on every day. So I've grabbed the Ultimate Protection SPF 28. It is my favorite. Has a little bit of a matte finish, but it is a natural sunscreen. That means there's no chemical barriers in there. It's just a physical block. Goes on very nicely. And that's my morning routine. That's all that you do. That's your Face Reality AM routine. Now I'm going to walk you through the PM routine. So in the PM, you're going to go ahead and wash your face again. Most people wash their face 2 times at night. The first time is just going to get rid of that dirt and everything, makeup on the surface. The second time is going to help get into the pores and clean them better. Step 2 for PM, your toner. Go ahead again and work that into your pores all over your face. Now the next step for PM is to apply your Hydra Balance. That was our gel moisturizer. We're going to apply that and we're going to let it dry. And then you're going to grab your Acne Med. Most people are starting on their Acne Med with a 2.5, unless they've been on Acne Med before. Again, in this situation, and depending on your skin and your therapist, you may have a different routine than this. You may have a timed method that we start you on. But if you have sensitive skin, we often start you with a time method. But everyone else, we're usually starting with putting your Hydra Balance on and then go ahead and put on your Acne Med. You're going to put the Acne Med all over the acne prone area, even if that area is not broken out today, but you know that's where you generally always break out. You want to put it over that entire area because there's things under the surface that are going to try and come up. We want to get that Acne Med on as a preventative as well as for treating what's going on now. We never want to just spot treat with our Acne Med, or we're never going to get to the root of the problem. However, with the Acne Med, you do want to avoid the eye area, and you do want to avoid this nasal labial fold and your lips because it will be very drying in those areas. If you get an excess dryness, a lot of peeling, reach out to your therapist and have them help you. Now, I will tell you this secret, that a lot of times the guys, the teenage guys in our clinic, they get clear faster than the gals. The reason is because the guys don't mind having dry or flaky skin, so they keep applying their products. They push through that little dry, flaky phase, and they get clear. Our gals, on the other hand, are wanting to put makeup on. They're feeling more self-conscious. They start to get dry, and then they stop using their products. If you do that, it's going to take much longer for you to get clear. So usually in the first week or 2, you're going to have some dryness, some flakiness. That's actually okay. As long as the skin's not getting irritated, it's actually great to be a little bit dry and a little bit flaky because it's pushing your skin and it's actually going to help you to clear up much faster. So if you have questions about dryness or flakiness, reach out to your acne specialist and they will help coach you through all of those steps. So that's it. At nighttime, you put on your Acne Med. You do not put anything over the top of Acne Med. No lotion, moisturizer, cream, Clear Derma, nothing like that, because that will deactivate your Acne Med. Now at nighttime, you're going to want to have an old pillowcase you don't care about because Acne Med is going to bleach that. You're going to want to wear an old t-shirt that you don't care about because that can get bleached as well. And you want to do the pillowcase trick at night. So one night you have your face on side A of the pillowcase. The next night you flip your pillow over and you sleep on side B. And then the next night you take your pillowcase off, turn it inside out, put it back on your pillow, sleep on side A and B of the inside out sides of your pillowcase, then throw it in the wash. So you'll get basically 4 uses out of each pillowcase, but it's really a good idea to do that and have several pillowcases so you can wash them throughout the week. They do get bleached though, so just buy white ones or use ones that you don't care about that you're going to be bleaching them out. If you have long hair, sleep with your hair pulled back from your face at nighttime. That will help keep your face from picking up on the oils and things from your scalp, but it'll help you to get clear faster. So there, my friends, is your startup routine with Face Reality Acne products. If you have any questions, reach out to your acne therapist, reach out to us on live chat support at Art of Skincare, and we'll be happy to help you get your skin clear.